Hi, and welcome to Premier Literacy's tutorial on Write Now. In this video, we're focusing on some of the more advanced writing and editing options built into the program. So we're first going to click on the Writing tab here, as this contains pretty much all the tools that we'll be demonstrating in this video. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the word prediction feature first off. Now, as you see, this is already turned on. Now, if we click on that, you'll see the icon changes to an X, and that means it's disabled. But we want to demonstrate this, so I'm just going to show you. And already we see the pop-up coming up here with some suggestions. What we do is we can double-click on it, or we can use the associated number to pick the word.
This.
And we know that's what we want. For a word like this, we may want to hear a few more suggestions.
Demonstrated. Demonstrate. Demonstration.
And we know that's the one we want, so we'll hit 3 or double click on that. And then
predictions. Prediction.
So I can double click on that as well. And that brings up the word that we want. So there's a few options associated with that, and if we'd like to see those, we can click on the prediction menu and go to prediction options. We can change the way it looks, make those bigger, just to make the pop-ups more visible. We can also change when the word prediction pops up. We can display the list after typing 3 characters, but we can turn that down to 1, 2, up to 5. We can also change the number of words that are displayed. Right now it's set on 9. So this just adds an element of scalability to the assistance that the word prediction provides you. So if we want to, we can click on the library, and this will show all the words that it currently contains. If we want to have a look at the different words that exist for different grade levels, we can select those. Right now we'll leave it on all grades though. We can show commonly misspelled words only. And we can also add a word to this. What you do is you type in the word, put in an alternate spelling in case that word may be spelled a different way and you need to correct that. We can also change the word value from low to high, and that will just change where it appears in the list. So we can edit current words that exist. We can remove them if we want. We can show modified words only. And that's pretty much all there is to that. Another very useful feature is if we double click on a word, we get the dictionary popping up. So we can read the definition to us.
The definition of prediction is noun. 1. The act of predicting, as by reasoning about the future, to a statement made about the future.
We can also, when we have a certain word highlighted if we want to, we can just click on dictionary and it'll bring up the same thing. Now, we also have a built-in thesaurus. If we click on thesaurus with the word highlighted, you'll see we have different synonyms for the word. If we click on those, they'll be read to us.
Prophecy.
And we get the definition on the right side.
Augury. Cast. Divination. Foretelling. Forecast.
So none of these really fit in context with the word prediction, as it is what the feature is called, but you get the idea. You see the definition, so you can figure out whether it fits what you're trying to enter it into. So finally, what I'll show you in right now is a demonstration of confusables and the spell check. So first I'm going to show you some confusables. We see right away as we type the word I, we've got a different list of confusables coming up here. If we click on them, we can see the definition of this.
The definition of I is noun. 1. The smallest whole number or a numeral representing this number. By. The definition of I is noun. 1. An affirmative. By.
And we can go through those and figure out which one is the correct one.
By.
And you see as I misspell the word spell,
Spell.
we've got a list coming up in the dictionary of words that it could be. We do know that spell is the correct one, and as we highlighted, the word is announced to us, but we can also hear the other suggestions.
Spill. Sell. Spell.
And when we have the correct word, we can just double click it on the left side, and that will correct it.
Spell.
And you see again, as the confusables come up, we could have meant check, or we could have actually meant check,
Check.
as in the Czech Republic. So that's been a demonstration of some of the advanced options, the editing and the writing features built into Right Now. You can view more support videos online at www.readingmadeeasy.com. Be sure to go and check out the rest in the series. Thanks for watching.